Hi guys, this is Lee from the Urban Gent. So today let's talk different products. So we get a lot of messages from people kind of saying that kind of when do you use certain things and best time to use them. So today let's talk beard balm. So kind of what is it? So beard balm is kind of like more kind of the styling aid for your beard. So it has two roles though. So the beard balm, since it has like a beeswax, it controls the flyaway, so it gives you the control aspect, but it also locks in condition and moisture into the beard, and keeping your beard kind of nice and soft. So beard balm, so how do we use it? So it tends to be like, say, if you're going to be going out, you want that extra kind of control, and you want to control the flyaway hairs. So best thing to do, so it tends to be more of a harder product. So we tend to just do a small kind of pea size on the back of your thumb. You're rubbing it in, so it's all just gone, and you're just going to kind of just pat it on. So again, it's not, you want this as a just to control the flyaway hairs. So this is good for when you're going out of an evening. And you want that little bit kind of a slightly kind of slicker kind of look. Okay, so you've got that in. So just grab your faithful your brush, and there we go. And that's it. That's pretty much your beard balm. So beard balm is for your control aspect, but don't forget, it is controlling those flyaway hairs, but it does have that extra kind of thing where it will lock in the moisture. And so what you can do is put a tiny little bit of oil in your hand first, rub it in, and then pop a little bit of beard balm on, and that beard balm will lock that oil into the hair and keep it nice and conditioned. And there you go, smashing. So that's it. That is beard balm. So we'll do some more. We've got some beard butter kind of coming on the way, and some of the Balm Do I's as well. So just keep an eye on that. Again, if you kind of like these little videos, hit the subscribe button, or even if you just like the videos, hit the little like there. All helps. And that's great. We will see you soon. I'm Lee Thomas. This is the Urban Gent. This was Beard Balm. Stay bearded, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll catch you soon. Cheers.